Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar and the DXY. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the US dollar, just as I predicted yesterday, had kind of a sideways corrective day, and I don't really think it's over yet. I think it is likely to go up a little more, but as long as it doesn't take out this high, it could go up all it wants, and it could still definitely be in a downtrend as long as it doesn't take out this swing high right here, because that would be the continuation of lower lows and lower highs. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. I think this is an A. I think this is a B. So you got an A, you got a B. I think we're going to go up and make a wave C, which will likely go up to maybe the 50, 61%. And then I think we'll get the end of a correction, which keep in mind that this may not even happen today. It may happen tomorrow, but we likely will get another lower high on the 4 hour, lower high, and continue the downtrend because this up here is likely the end of a correction on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So definitely looking for shorts primarily on the US dollar pairs via the US dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.